Eddimu ery'okuddaabiriza ekisaawe ky'e Namboole bwe kiyimiridde ewaddiza abakungu abatali bamu mu gavumenti okwevumba akafubo okukisalira amagezi okulaba nga babaako bye batuukako n'okukolera mu kadde kano. Kino kibootoddwa nampala wa gavumenti Hamson Obuwa mu lukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu oluvannyuma lw'ababaka okumussa ku nninga okunnyonnyola wa eddimu erituuse.
But I also want to inform Parliament that as we sit, there is an ongoing meeting that had been scheduled before we scheduled Parliament to sit this morning, and the meeting is being chaired by the Honourable Minister of State for Sports, Honourable Peter Ogwang, and in attendance we have Honourable Oboth, who is representing the UPDF, who are currently the contractor on the ground, the UPDF Engineering Brigade. That is why the two are not here.
Obuwa abadde akyannyonnyola ng'alaga nga bwe balina kye bakoze mu kuzimba ekisaawe kya Namboole, ababaka abalala ne baleeta obujulizi obwongedde okukuba ebituli mu nnyinnyonnyola ya nampala wa gavumenti ono.
Colleagues, Mandela National Stadium is a 1970 model stadium, which was handed over to us when it was even incomplete. When you now enter Mandela National Stadium, for instance, we did not have seats. They have been installed. When you look at the pitch, if you have been there, you have seen what is there.
He has done, and maybe let me take you through it verbatim, Madam Speaker, because it reads, we acknowledge receipt of the FUFA communication with the pre-inspection report of Mandela National Stadium, Kampala, conducted by FUFA for the FIFA World Cup United 2026 African qualifiers, match day 3 and 4.
Ensonga ekwata ku kisaawe ereeteddwa omubaka wa Manya County John Baptist Nyambeshe ng'ono alaga nga embeera y'ekisaawe bwe kiyimiridde bw'etamatiza era nti Uganda yandifiirwa omukisa gw'eyina.
The inspection report has found the stadium works not compliant with the requirements, and so to speak, it has not been approved for the FIFA World Cup United 2026
qualifiers.
Qualifiers, that is African qualifiers, match day 3 and 4, as you are aware. Madam Speaker, this goes to the minister who had made an undertaking to ensure that by the time of inspection, the works would be ready. He has let us down.
Onera wagiddwa ababaka abalala abatali bamu nga bano bategeezezza nti minisita azaasuubiza era n'okulaga nsalira ekisaawe kino wekigenda okuggweera wabula byonna bya mpuna.
What was the issue so that we get to know early enough? Otherwise, for us to miss this, actually the minister or the person responsible will have to vacate their position. Yes, because this time we cannot, as Uganda, lose that word opportunity. You assured us, you told us things are going to be okay. We are now here and we are in charge. We are asking what is wrong.
And support their team in a foreign land. The minister promised, I think so far there are 5 deadlines that the minister had been saying by November 2023 it would be ready. It was extended, I think, to January, and we were promised that by March 26th, I think, the stadium would be ready. This lack of seriousness on the side of government and taking the house for granted and Ugandan, I think, is what the Honourable Minister has to address.
Omukubiza w'ekikolo gwanga olukulu Anita Mong naye yeeyunze kubaakubiriza okulaga obutali mativu ku ngeri eddimu gye likwatiddwamu.
All Ugandans have been excited for AFCON, but at the same time that there is no way we can really go and play in another country. Remember, we are supposed to play within Algeria. But then Morocco has offered us to go and play in Morocco for free. But Algeria has said, we are not going to Morocco.
Speaker wanalagidde minisita ow'ebyemizannyo okujja olunaku olw'enkya okunnyonnyola ensimbi ezaabaweebwa kye zaakakola.
Can we ask the Minister of Sports to come and give us a statement tomorrow at 10?
Most obliged, Right Honourable Speaker. we undertake to give that statement. But that said, we should also appreciate the progress we have made on site. Thank you.
Let him give us a statement, a status of Namboole, and then also give us, we need accountability of the 97 billion that was released for that work. Because if they are saying they want more money, first tell us what the other man has done. Next item.
Yes, Chigongo, Kurwa, Channel 44, Ole Guro.